What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Misfire. This is our first episode on the truck in a little bit, and we did a lot of behind the scenes work, to say the least. So we're out here where we first introduced the truck to you guys, and now we get to introduce the truck to you guys now. He's cold.
It's freezing out here. You can't tell by the clouds, and I'm a stupid idiot, and I didn't bring a jacket.
We're from California. This is what we do.
Yeah, it's like actually like 55, but I'm just complaining.
It's 55 with a slight breeze, and he's complaining. But look at this. Now, granted, it doesn't have a hood, and we still need to like put the custom cab moldings on and finish the bed and some other stuff. But the running gear is pretty much done. Wouldn't you say?
Pretty much.
We have to adjust like the transmission and stuff, but
it shifts a little hard right now, but
yeah, and you guys will see it when we drive back home, but you guys see the goodies. So we completely redid the engine. We took the intake off. We took the motor out, did gaskets. We redid new balancer, which that was fun. You want to go into that, or you want to just let it be?
Well, so basically the story is we had to go through 4 balancers to find the right one that would actually fit, because it's a 283, and apparently 283s don't have a crankshaft bolt to hold on the pulley,
and they're a small balancer,
and they're small, so it can be hard to find other like accessory drive pulleys and stuff. But we found one that he got, drove up to Summit and got it, so we're cool on that front, and it looks super good on there. It almost looks like a 350 pulley or balancer.
That guy right there.
And then you'll also notice this little guy right here, power steering.
It's got power steering now, which is a CPP. I think it's a Series 400 box, which you can see right in there. That little beauty. And we ended up installing that, and we had to actually custom make one of our own power steering lines for it, because the power steering pump that we have is kind of weird. So that's out of an 82 GMC van that we got out at the junkyard, and we ended up having to use a custom made power steering line for that. But the other one is a CPP line, that's a return line. The clutch fan off of my Nova, actually, that's the old one off my Nova, which I have electric fans now, so that one's out. And then
it doesn't leak brake fluid anymore.
Doesn't leak brake fluid because we put a new button in for the CPP proportioning valve. It's got a 4-barrel carburetor, a 600 Edelbrock right there. It has HEI ignition with new spark plug wires.
New spark plugs.
New spark plugs.
New motor mounts.
New motor mounts. We did that. We did new starter. Same alternator. New water pump.
New water pump.
It has a new battery tray, which is premium.
Cool. Look at that.
This thing is it was held in by wires before, and now
that's factory.
This is a factory. This is a factory battery control or battery mount that we had. We put new battery cables on it because the other ones are junk. New fuel pump down there, and then obviously new wheels and tires, because those look mint. Those are, I think, there's 6 lug rallies in the back and 5 lugs in the front. What I think the fronts are 235/70s, right?
Yeah, 235/70s
and then 255/70 in the back, which that may not sound like a big number, but when you look underneath the back of this truck,
looks pretty good.
It looks good.
And the stance on it is better now that we've lowered the rear too.
Right. We put 4-inch drop springs in the back, right? They're 4-inch, right?
Yeah, they're 4-inch.
Right.
And then put new shocks.
Right.
Had to fix a shock mount.
We had to have a shock mount re-welded.
A new panhard bar.
We have a new panhard bar under there, which you can see under. New Monroe shocks. The panhard bar, which I think is also CPP arm, right? For bar.
Yeah, I think so.
And then, as you can see, we're not there yet. We're not there yet, but that's the color that the whole bed's gonna be, which is gonna be mint.
And then instead of doing the rails, like you see a lot of the kits for redoing them, we're going to be drilling holes and putting carriage bolts to save on cost. And
right, because
you could see that the last owner started to do that a little bit.
Right down here,
but with nice new wood and with a fresh stain, it'll look really good. Carriage bolt.
And any of the kits, or CPP, or any, it'll be close to 1,000. So
yeah,
keeping costs down. And then in the interior, as you can see, we still have our Mexican blanket and just kind of the foam open. We're going to reupholster the seat with probably LMC truck parts. We're going to redo the dash. It's going to have a new steering wheel, new carpet, do some insulation inside of it. It's gonna be mint. And we're also gonna do a patina wax thing on the sides of it, and we're probably gonna take those nice fancy boat mounts off too. Because this was a custom cab truck, as you can see the old holes that they bondoed over, and when we were pressure washing, a lot of them came out. Which we're not gonna put the moldings back on, or the side moldings anyway, because we don't have them. We'll leave that to the future owner to do. But for right now, we're gonna put this thing back to the house, let you guys watch us put it back. I think we're super close to what we were before. You have any words of encouragement to anyone? Words of inspiration, words of depression?
Don't be discouraged when things don't go your way. I know a lot of you probably already know that, but for those of you who are new to working on old stuff in particular, a lot of stuff just breaks because it's old. We've had to break a lot of stuff to fix it too. So just don't be discouraged by that stuff, because if you stick with it, you end up with some kind of cool stuff.
That is correct. And I guess now, after showing you guys the truck, I think we did a pretty good walk around. We can probably put it back, and we're actually gonna go get another project truck. So, because we're always busy. This is what we do. This is what we do. So, until next, you guys will see us riding, but until next time, we'll catch you guys in the flip-flop. Peace.
I want to go put on a seatbelt.
Please start the truck. It is a turnkey automobile.
We make good stuff here.
We do make good stuff. I tuned the carburetor. I'll just let that be said.
And oh, that power steering.
Just whistle through the carburetor.
I wasn't sure if it was more the power steering. The brakes are not good. We have to work on the brakes a little bit.
Yeah, we'll have to bleed them. Project truck. But this is totally drivable to like your cars and coffee right now. I would not be afraid. Or we were bouncing like idiots. Now.
Yeah, check this out. It's a very hard truck to drive.
Very hard. It doesn't like this shift right now. It wants to shift at like 4 grand.
But I mean, you take this corner.
No, it's super.
It's just plated. Oh yeah, it's got a new front sway bar.
Oh yeah, we put a new 1.5 inch sway bar in the front.
That thing is awesome.
That thing's probably like the single biggest thing we put on the front end. Yeah, it wants to actually like take throttle and stuff now. Doesn't want to die and just fall apart.
Yeah. No, this is good.
This is good. I'm stoked. Daily driver. Shift, please. There it was.
Yeah. Once we fix that, it'll be a daily driver.
Yeah. Once we fix that, it's daily ready.
The bed's not bolted, or the wood is not bolted to the bed yet.
No,
so
that's what's happening.
that's what the cracking around is.
But even then, that bed is like chilling.
Did you hit the camera?
I might have.
Oh no.
It's fine.
This thing shifts.
We're good.
This thing shifts so hard.
You are good this way for like 10 seconds. You should be a jerk to those people. They have a con. I said thank you. You're good.
Yeah.
We are turning that way. There's a person running. Oh, it's Abby running.
It's Abby.
Hi. She's like, okay, hi. And we return back to the house.
Bam.
Until next time on the Daily Mix Square. Peace.